NVOGA Marbella Realty. Developments.
We are in the heart of the Golf Valley here in Marein Natura. This is such a demanding area for buyers, and I want to show you Marein Natura, which consists of 3 villas. We have Villa Lauros, Villa Daima and Villa Casia. Villa Lauros and Villa Daima have been sold, but we have the beautiful Villa Casia available for you to buy in this amazing Golf Valley. You're only a 10-minute drive to Puerto Banús, a 10-minute drive to San Pedro. So you're in the midst of everything here. In this area itself, there are so many amazing restaurants. You just need to come here and check them out. But have a look at this view behind me. Here we are at the Los Naranjos golf course, one of many golf courses in an area. It's actually quite unique to have 4 golf courses next door to each other. All of these golf courses, especially for the golf lovers, you have it on your doorstep of Villa Casia. It's just beautiful. And I'm standing right outside Villa Casia. As you can see, it's under construction right now, and it's going to be completed by the end of this year. We have 3 villas in total, and this one is available for you. So you need to come in with me and let's go and see if we can try and get a little sneak peek inside. But I have to say, you could have this villa and the garden looking like this one. So the distribution is so nice because it's a really nice open plan. You come through the front door, you have the living area, an open plan kitchen, dining, and then you're going to have a beautiful swimming pool here with a wooden deck terrace for your sunbeds and a garden that's going to look spectacular. So come on, let's go and see. We're not allowed to go inside the house, however, I can take you to the front door and we can have a little sneak peek, okay? Come on. I absolutely love the distribution of Villa Casia, and as you can see, I am standing here at the entrance where you'll come in with your car, you'll go down the ramp and you'll go underneath into the garage, which is capable for 3 cars, and then you'll have access from the garage going into the -1, and I call it -1 because there's so much natural light down there. There's a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a guest toilet, and then there's a huge room that you can have whatever you want in there, whether it's a spa, a cinema room, a gymnasium, whatever you want, you can have that personalized by Marein. So let's go and have a look and see what amenities there are in the area of this Golf Valley. So this is just one of many of the amenities that we have in the area of Marein Natura. And this is just a stone throw away from Villa Casia. And as you can see, it's one of my favorite shops here. I love coming here to buy vinos. Look at the selection that you have here. It's fantastic. Oh there, look at this. I am here at Magna Cafe. It's a fabulous restaurant, and there's a 9-hole golf course here called Magna Golf Club. So you can come here, have a fabulous lunch or dinner. There's entertainment sometimes in the evenings, and you can have a game of golf, of course, in the daytime with this fabulous view. And over there is San Pedro. So as I mentioned, it's only a stone throw away to the lovely little town of San Pedro, and of course the beaches. So you're in a fabulous location. And just to recap on Villa Casia, you have a plot of 980 square meters, and the house built is 710 square meters, all on one level, as mentioned before, with 4 bedrooms or with ensuite. If you would like to have more bedrooms, you can absolutely do that because you can personalize it to your taste.